Today I'm going to do another quick installation video for the flag mount from Rocks Off-Road. It's going to be fairly quick video, so that's everything in the packet: instruction, bracket, tools, lock pin, some bolt nuts, Allen key, and a flagpole holder. And also you can purchase a flagpole from them, so they're gonna work with their mount, so you can have their your flag attached to the pole. It's gonna be fairly easy. So basically all you need to do is take off your spare, then get this bracket on there. They have a different bolt pattern, so it doesn't really matter, just either way, either this way or that way, it would work. So just put it on there, then put your spare back on, then attach this part on this, then you should be good. Alright, let's get a... Alright, so I got the bracket on, so put my spare back on. All you need to do is attach this part, just put it right there, and have a bolt secured it, and have the flagpole mount attached right here. Before you put this one on, you wanna get this thing on this first. I got the flagpole mount attached to this bracket, so now just let's connect those two brackets together, then we should be good to go. This is all installed, so it's very simple. Alright, now I got this flagpole from the Rocks Off-Road as well. So basically all you need to do is put this one inside. You can see there's a hole. You just line the hole together and use this pin to secure it. Alright guys, let's complete the installation. This is the final product. The flag mount from Rocks Off-Road. So as you can see, it just uses this pin to secure right here. I don't think walls are gonna rattle when I drive, or I can push. They have different, I can maybe put it a little bit inside to prevent this rattle, but for now it's good enough for me. You can use this to make adjustment. It's going to rain later, so I'm not gonna put a flag on today. I'll have when the weather getting better, I'll put the flag on, then post on my Instagram. Alright guys, just let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Alright, thanks for watching.